Hello everyone, this is Grace from Joint Elo Company. Welcome to the Joint Elo Digital Printing Exhibition Hall here. We gather the most cutting-edge printing solution and will present you with a feast of vision and technology. And we are very glad to show you our exhibition room. Please follow my footsteps and we'll start by understanding by our corporate culture. This way, here are the relevant policies and plans of the country and local governments in the industry. This pattern on the wall is a witness to our company's 12 years development. As of April 2024, our products have obtained a total of 42 patent certificates. This is a good photo of us attending domestic and overseas exhibitions and some users as a souvenir. On this wall, you can learn about the dynamics of our company development, brand structure, and core team structure. Along the development trajectory, you can see the brilliant achievement of Joint Elo in each stage. At present, our company major has 3 brands: Fortune, major focus in advertising printing, and Osno, major in industrial digital printing. About the HEZ is major for the digital government printing. This is the organizational structure of our company. Next to is some leaders of the department.
Hi boss, this is Lin. Today I'm going to introduce our company's sample showroom for you. You can see this is our showroom for the light box, all printing by our machines. This is a collaboration solution for advertising light box and signs from well-known brands. This is the decoration painting, all printing by our UV machine. You can look this. Materials are major for house decoration. Here is the overall appearance of our exhibition hall. We have a lot of printing solution on display here. Phone case, glass printing, souvenir, keyboard, nail plate, gift. Painting on both sides or printing by our machine. You can see this is UV stamping golden lamination solution. This is 60 and 90 UV flat bed printer. It's suitable for the phone case printing. Also can do some bottle and cup printing. There are many wonderful jobs in our demo room, such like the UV application and the garment application.
Hello guys, this is Jason from Dongguan Joint area. Now I'm going to introduce our showroom machines. This one is our 225 by 1.2 meters UV flatbed printer, and we can print the same YK and LC and LM, white and vanish. Here you can see the machine is printing now. It's our 2 meters UV flatbed printer. And we also have the UV hybrid printer with a 6 color. The facial printing is very bright and beautiful. Next one is our 2 meters UV roll rule. For the camera, you can see the bottom is golden. This is because we're printing the vanish and do the golden film lamination. Now let's look at our 1.7 EcoSoft printer. And high quality machines make your business flourish.
Thanks for watching today. If you want more details, just call us. Bye bye.